Understanding the phrase, toss one's cookies, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into a colorful and interesting phrase, toss one's cookies. This might sound a bit strange at first, but by the end of this video, you'll understand what it means and how to use it in everyday conversation. So, let's get started. First things first, let's unravel the meaning. The phrase, toss one's cookies, is an informal and somewhat humorous way to say that someone is vomiting or throwing up. It's important to note that this expression is used more in casual and colloquial contexts. You wouldn't use this in formal situations. Now, let's explore where this phrase comes from. The exact origin is a bit murky, but it's widely believed to be American in origin and became popular in the mid-20th century. The word cookies, in this context, is a euphemism, a milder word or phrase used to describe something unpleasant. When you hear, toss one's cookies, it's often in a light-hearted or humorous context, especially in movies or TV shows. Understanding is best with examples. Here are a few. 1. After riding the roller coaster, I felt like I was going to toss my cookies. 2. He can't handle spicy food. He almost tossed his cookies last time. 3. The sight was so gruesome that it made her toss her cookies. These examples show how the phrase can be used in different scenarios, usually related to feeling sick or experiencing something unpleasant. There are several other expressions that mean the same thing. Phrases like throw up, vomit, or more informal ones like upchuck, lose one's lunch, or blow chunks can be used interchangeably with toss one's cookies. Each of these has a slightly different connotation and level of formality, so it's good to be aware of the context in which you use them. And there you have it. Now you know what toss one's cookies means, its origin, how to use it, and some alternative expressions. Remember, it's a casual phrase, so use it in the right context. We hope this video has been informative and added a fun phrase to your English vocabulary. Don't forget to practice, and see you in the next video.